Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building the frame. Measure and cut the plywood base to 40x 30 cm, then mark center lines for accurate joins. Once marked, pre-drill 3 mm pilot holes to prevent splitting and apply wood glue along seams. This adds rigidity. Clamp the panels square, check diagonal measurements, and drive in 4 screws per corner. Make sure to keep a 1/2 cm gap where ventilation or wiring will pass. Doing this now saves rework later and sets the box square and stable. Once the frame is secure, attach the side panels and reinforce corners with 20 mm angle brackets for extra strength. You then measure 15 cm from the base and fix the internal shelf. Secure it with 3 screws on each side so it can hold weight without sagging. Make sure to cut and route wiring channels before final sealing, and add foam padding at sensor and camera mounts to reduce vibration. This protects components and improves repeatable training conditions. You finish by sealing all edges with silicone, sanding high spots, and applying matte paint to reduce glare. This improves durability and sensing. Next, power up sensors and run a 5-minute calibration routine while logging baseline values. Watch for steady readings. If you see drift or noise, check grounding and shielding, tighten loose mounts, and isolate vibration sources, then rerun calibration. If problems persist, swap one component at a time to identify the fault. This systematic approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.